We are Huisman. In 2019, we achieved a significant milestone by being the first company in the world to deliver certified 3D printed offshore crane hooks. These 3D printed hooks were manufactured using wire arc additive manufacturing process. This method allows us to precisely define material properties, and furthermore, to also have control of internal quality and competitive costs compared to traditional methods like forging and casting. We start by designing a 3D model of the hook in our own engineering department. When 3D digital model is ready, we create slices of the 3D model and create robot movement lines into the sliced layers. Layer by layer, full program is created. 3D printing process is controlled by a robot, which also records printing parameters. Throughout the printing, several intermediate non-destructive inspections are conducted to ensure internal quality. Post-printing activities includes grinding of part to final shape, stress relieving, and non-destructive inspection. Then the machining process follows. Load testing of the hook is performed at Huisman testing site under supervision of the Independent Certification Society. The most frequently supplied 3D printed hooks range from 30 to 250 metric tons. Due to the almost unlimited possibilities offered by 3D printing and the savings in materials, this method is the way to sustainability.